The dash, the divided branch into three major classes: dicard, gymnosums, and monocotyledons. In a Benthamenoid system, the gymnosums were placed between the dicard and monocot. Sorry, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Same. That is also the dicotyledons are divided into the three polypetalae, gamopetalae, and monoclamide. This is also three series. The polypetalae means flowers have free petals. That is, poly means free petals. As gamopetalae means flowers having a united petals or combined petals. The monoclamide includes flowers with single perianth. That is also one character. So this the classification is based mainly on a morphological characters. Morphological characters are based to classify the fundamental curve. In monogod, the ovary position is used to divide into the hypogynous positions are the monogod plants. That then the dash is the system of considered non-phylogenetic. It does not reflect evolutionary relationships. The first class in Bentham is dicotyledons. The last class is their monogod. Between is got plus ones. Bentham and correct classification about 202 families. The classification is still used in many herbaria due to its practical utility. That is, many herbaria. Then basic identification of plants, also called nomenclature of the plants, based on the flower parts like petals, sepals, androecium, gynoecium, and the number of stamens, number of the carpels, which are, that is, characters of the morphological characters. So then the classification still used in many herbaria. The series of polypetalae is a further divided into the three groups: thalmiflora, calciflora, disciflora. Then microspermae is a monocot group with very small seeds. Then thalmiflora includes the plants with superior ovary and also called hypogynous flowers. Then calciflora includes the plants with epigynous and also perigynous flowers. Epigynous and perigynous flowers. So the position of the ovary in a flower is called the gynoecium positions. The rubeaceae and dash astraceae are included in the series of gamopetalae. Gamopetalae. Bentham and correct classification does not include the cryptogams. Only flowering, not non-flowering. That is. Then the one example of family under the monoclamide is Euphorbiaceae. Then also got the system was based on the study of a specimens mainly from a key herbarias. Herbaria. The classification was intended primarily for use in identifying plants. Identifying plants. Orders in these systems are now refers to as families. Bentham and Curry's classification is highly valued in practical data. So this is a major important identification of the plants, which is a important for the major bits, which is also filling the plants, which is also called a renonucleaceae plants. Few of a renonucleaceae plants, which is also called a renonucleaceae. This is also then economic importance are there, but this is also important. But all the important of the flowers character based to identifications, which is also important to the next. This is also the series. The fill in the blanks are completed, but out of the 50 fill in the blanks, which for preparation of CPG set and also JNs. That is the Gaspar buying both are same. This year 1753 modern botanical. John Day is a first recognized monocot and dicot. That is important of the bits. So these bits is also then last when the correct classification highly valued in a particular test, highly valued in a particular of the taxonomy. So this is a major important of the practical purpose and also theoretical purpose. So this is also complete of the our today class, that is called a taxonomy. Introduction to the plant taxonomy. This introduction to the plant taxonomy, which is major for the identification, nomenclature, and the classification of the plants. Classification of these plants, which all of the completed. So this is George Benjamin classification. All the so this type of classification out of it is also most important for the all type of the systems to the classifications, that is artificial, natural, phylogenetic. What are the differentiations? What is the important of the difference? This is important. Difference between various classification systems. Then here, basis of the classification, main objectives, belief about species, key contributor, era period, and limitations. It is then artificial system, natural system, phylogenetic system, and also then theophasters, linears, genre. Then total the 6 type of the classification systems are which are there. The 3 also called theophasters means plant habit base, linears means number of stamens base. Then genre means morphological plant habit. That is classification systems, which is important for the. So next also covering to the close of this one.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful presentation. It's a most important topic related to our CPGET 2025 for botany and plant sciences, and also other competitive exams like CUET and AP set, TG set, CSIR, UGC, NTA, NET. It is also very useful. So most of the bits are covered from this topic, and most important expected bits also sir has clearly explained. Bentham and Tucker classification, one of the most important classification. It is also followed by all Commonwealth countries in our world, and also our India, totally followed by the Bentham and Tucker classification. Sir has clearly explained. So my dear friends, regarding of this class, we are wholeheartedly thankful to our resource person, Dr. Tirunahari Yugandhar sir, Associate Professor, Kakatiya Government College, Autonomous, Hanmakonda. Really, thank you very much, sir. Your wonderful presentation. Tomorrow we will meet same time. Thank you very much.